Why does your scanner show the P2008 engine code? What does it mean? P2008 is a diagnostic trouble code for Intake Manifold Runner Control circuit open in Bank 1. It indicates that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, or Engine Control Module, ECM, has detected a problem with the vehicle's Intake Manifold Runner Control circuit, specifically the circuit in Bank 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: faulty solenoid, stuck flaps, damaged wiring, broken vacuum lines, failed ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD-II vehicles. It's especially common in European cars, such as Volkswagen and Audi models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.